Fabrics in fashion design. Fabric is the most important element in fashion design. After all, no fabric, no garment, right? If you've always wanted to learn about the different types of fabrics and categories and properties and how to use them to create a collection, well, this course is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Nino Villa and I'm your instructor. And welcome to another one of my courses in fashion design. In this course, I'm going to cover categories such as wovens versus knits, natural fibers and man-made fibers. You will learn about yarns and fiber content and construction, new definitions such as gray goods and vertical mills and distributors and jobbers, and we'll review some grain lines. We'll discuss the different types of knits and the different types of weaving such as Oxford, poplin, twill, herringbone, flannel. We'll take a look at sustainable fabrics and eco-friendly environments and ethical production. I'm also going to drape different fabrics on a dress form to show you how they behave, how they move, how they hang, okay? This course will educate you, yes, but it will also inspire you to approach fashion designing from a different perspective. You see, you have to know what fabric to use for specific designs. Now, whether you're a beginner or experienced, learning how to use fabrics to design a collection is so important. I'm going to show you how to design a group and develop a collection using fabrics. So, roll up your sleeves, let's get to work. I will see you in class. Ci vediamo in classe. Ciao. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.